YouTube people, since I don't know what my new intro is gonna be. So as you can tell by the title and probably from the bags behind me, we are doing yet again another thrifting haul. This video, however, is not going to be a try on haul just because it's just not going to be. Girl issues will be arriving pretty soon, and I have endometriosis and my stomach is swollen, and I'm really just chilling in a huge t-shirt. It's actually a men's size large t-shirt, so it's pretty normal size. It's just oversized on me. So that's what we're working with today. Yeah, another reason this is not going to be a try on haul is because, as some of you know, I do thrift clearly. And I do buy clothes that are oversized, or just I like the style, something that I want to tweak it a little bit, so I clearly buy it and I take it home and I reconstruct it, deconstruct it, rework it, however you want to word it. So my idea for a series would be to show you guys what I'm getting, and then at the end of every month I can show you guys those pieces again, but show you how I reworked them. Obviously I will include like a before clip or pictures for that, and then I would show you guys the ending results. If that's something you guys are interested in, let me know. I am going to try it out for the month of September for this month, and we'll see how it goes. If it goes well and it's something you guys like, then I will continue to do it. So without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, so to start this off, I do have two items that are not thrifted technically. One of them isn't thrifted completely, and then the other one I did buy on Vinted. So we're going to start with the item that's not thrifted. So I got this shirt from the men's section at Target. I saw at Katie Listerlux feature this in one of her videos. It was like a video on like how to like get bougie outfits from Target, and she had this, and then I saw it and I looked it up and it was at a Target near me, and as soon as I saw her wear it, it made me think of a Panic at the Disco song, and it's just a basic white t-shirt that says High Hopes on it. I did have to get this out of my closet, so the hanger is still on. This is a men's that says small, and it was actually on clearance when I got it, so I picked one up for my sister as well. And then the other non-thrifted item is this emerald foresty green romper that I bought from a girl on Vinted. I will leave her shop down below in case you guys have Vinted and want to check it out. I have Vinted. I do sell some of my clothing on there, and then I also have Depop too. But I have this romper in another color, in like a burnt orange. Those are the only two items that I got that are not from a thrift store. We're going to start with Goodwill just because I have one bag of stuff from Goodwill. So I ended up picking up these, I don't know what you call them, they're like bell-bottom pants, but they're that stretchy material, and they look like this. And these are a hit and miss whether this style looks good on me, but I got them. I want to say I paid like $2 and some change for it, just because pants at Goodwill are like this kind, are usually like $4.49. And then the rest of the stuff I have from Goodwill is from this past weekend. So I went to one close-ish to me and picked up this dress. Every time I go into this Goodwill, I see it, and I just finally bit the bullet and bought it. But it's just this beautiful like burnt orange, deep red, kind of like a maxi dress situation, but it has a beautiful pattern on it. So the dress was $6.99. I think that's about the price of dresses at Goodwill. I guess I can look on this right here. Yeah, $6.99. So this next item is obviously a dress. I picked this up at a different Goodwill, just out and about running some errands, decided to pop in. This is something I'm definitely going to rework. It's just this beautiful like sparkly black gown with silver glitter all over it. So it's a Calvin Klein dress. It's a vintage Calvin Klein dress in a size 4, and like I said, I paid $6.99 for this. And then the last three items I picked up this past Sunday when I was out and about. I got this skirt, and it is originally from Akira, and it is a size small. This actually still has the, I don't know if you guys can see it, still has the original tag on it, which says $39.90, and I paid $4.49. It's this beautiful dark like slate gray skirt. It has a very high slit, which absolutely gorgeous. I've been on the hunt for a skirt like this for a while, so I think this with like a black bodysuit underneath it, or even like a black like silk satin top tucked in would be absolutely stunning. So got that. And then I also picked up this bag. This is actually the first item I saw when I walked inside of this Goodwill, and it is this purse right here. I paid $4.49 for it, and it has like this rope, like leather rope detailing, and then it has gold hardware, and it's just a very like, not like a very small, but it's a small bucket bag. So it looks like no one's ever used it, and it's just different. I don't have anything like it, and I feel like you can really dress this up or dress it down. You can make an outfit really edgy with this, so put it up. And then the last item I have from Goodwill is this romper. I got this at a different one. This is by the brand Fave Luxe Fashion. It's a size small. It has the original tag on it as well, and it was originally $28. I have a ring light right here, I'm sorry guys. Originally $28, and I paid $4.49. This is something I'm going to rework because I do not like the way it fits on me. So it just looks like this. It's off the shoulder, flowy sleeves, and then it has this belt that wraps around. Gorgeous, gorgeous bell sleeves. We'll see at the end of the month what I've done with it. Now we're gonna move on to Salvation Army because I do have the most stuff from there. I'll start with a very basic piece. I think I kept all the tags on these just so I could tell you guys, but I picked up this really basic dark gray black tank top. This reminds me of the 90s for some reason, just the material it's made out of and the way it lays on the body. This is from the brand Energy. It is a size large, so it's probably meant to be an actual like really tight crop top, but for me it's like flowy. I did pay $1.99 for this. The next item I got is something I'm going to reconstruct. I have thrifted something very similar to this from Salvation Army before, but this is like a dusty pink, kind of like the same color family as the t-shirt dress I've got on now, but this is like a silk dusty pink blazer situation. The only thing I don't like is it has these slits on the side, and when I pinned them shut I much prefer it that way. So what I'm gonna do, very simple fix, is just sew those slits shut. So the next item I got is something that I've already transformed, so you guys won't get to see the before, but you will kind of get to see the after. If you want like a full in-depth before and after of this, like I said, stay tuned to the end of the month and my transformations video will be up. But this is just this beautiful jumpsuit. It was a size large when I bought it, and I did bring it into a size extra small, but it's very tight around at the top, nice and stretchy. It has a zipper in the back, on the side, I lied. And it's like a culotte length as far as the bottoms go. They're just very flowing. They've got this gorgeous palm leaf pattern on them. So the next item I have is this olive green army colored cardigan. It is a size medium, originally from Forever 21. It's just a very basic olive green cardigan. I did show this off on my Instagram last week, I think. And then that same trip I picked up these culotte style pants. These were $3.99, originally from Ann Taylor, and they're a size 4 petite, so maybe they're not actually supposed to be culottes, but on me they are. I do have to wear a belt with these pants just because they're high-waisted and they are pretty big on my waist, but they just look like this. They've got pockets. They're made out of a really nice like trousery material. They're just these gorgeous florally print pants. I saw these when Matt and I went there, and I was like, oh, I really want to try those on, but we were kind of rushing in and out, so I didn't get to. I went back the next day and picked these up, and really glad I did. Did I tell you guys how much I paid for these? They were $3.99 if I didn't mention that. And then this next item I have is a dress, and this was $4.99. It doesn't have a brand in it or a size. I'm gonna guess it's a medium just because it's a little bit bigger on me, but it is this gorgeous burgundy mesh midi dress. So it just looks like this. It's got like short sleeves, it has a tie around the waist, and then it's like these little black floral detailing on it. So these next items are all things I got on the same day this past Sunday. This dress I had no intentions of trying on at first, and I found it by the fitting room from the brand XOXO. It was originally $58. They had it marked down on clearance there for $28.99, and I paid $4.99 for it. So it is this gorgeous sparkly red bodycon dress. It has a slit on the side and the back is really strappy, and I fell in love with it, and I tried it on and I was like, you gotta come home with me now. So here we are. So the next 3 items I picked up, I'm actually going to rework all of them so I won't be able to try them on for you guys. The first item is this midi skirt that was $3.99. I don't think it has an actual brand tag in it. Oh, it does. It is originally from the brand Jacqueline Smith, a size 14. Like I said, I'm like a size 2-3. Did I mention that? Yeah, I'm like a size 2-3, extra small in most clothing, so I do have to take this in quite a bit, but it's this black midi skirt with these gorgeous roses on it, and I feel like this is a perfect piece to really transition into fall. And then the next item I got is another jumpsuit. I paid $2.99 for this. It's originally from Abercrombie & Fitch. He size medium, and I love the pattern. Most people won't because it looks like curtains your grandma probably had in the 80s, or like the cheesy bedspreads they would give it. I just absolutely love this. So like I said, it's a jumpsuit. I'm going to attempt to turn this into a 2-piece outfit. That's how I envision it. So it's just going to end up looking like some high-waisted palazzo pants. And then I got these pants. These are originally from Diane Gilman. They are 100% silk and they are size medium. I paid $3.99. These are absolutely ginormous on me, but I love them, so I'm going to take them in. They are going to end up being another pair of high-waisted wide leg palazzo style pants, and I just absolutely love the pattern of this. As soon as I saw these, I didn't care if they fit or not. Obviously I wanted to get them. I could rework them, but the pattern and the colors alone really made me think of summer nights and transitioning into fall. And then the last bag of stuff I have to show you guys is everything that I bought today actually. I got off of work and I was going to drive over to Salvation Army over on the east side where I used to live. And that I just ended up coming home and eating first and changing, and then I went. So this is everything I got today. Let me see if I got the receipt in here actually. I don't think I do, which is an actual shame. So for all these items, keep in mind I did pay $22.50 for everything, so it was a great day for me for thrifting. First off, I have to show you, I love this color, and if you guys don't know, my favorite color is purple. I don't wear it a ton just because I don't feel like there's a lot of purple clothing out there, but it is this basic edition size small button-up linen lilac top. It's not showing up too true to color on camera, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and I paid $2.99. It does have shoulder pads unfortunately, but that's an easy adjustment. I can just take a seam ripper, some scissors too, and cut them out, but it's so pretty. It is kind of big on me, but I love it. Moving right along, I did pick up a long sleeve basic white top. I actually have the same shirt. It's from Walmart, but I have it in black. I buy a couple of them every year, but it's a size small. It's from the brand Climate Right by Cuddle Duds, I think I pronounced that right, but Walmart sells these during the winter months, and I always pick up a couple because they're nice and warm. But it's just a basic long sleeve white top, and I paid $2.99, but because it is a yellow tag, it was half off today, so I think I paid like $1.49 for it. So next shirt I picked up is just a white graphic tee that I paid $1.99 for. It is a size medium. And what drew me to this is this little graphic right here. It says Lori's Diner, and I just really like that. It's a nice small touch on the front of the shirt, nothing too big and obnoxious, and then the back just says Lori's. And then I also picked up this white button-up top. This is from Volume 1 originally. The label is completely destroyed, so I can't tell you the actual sizing of it, even though this does say a size large. I don't know if that's true or not, but I paid $2.99 for it. It's just this basic white button-up shirt, and I really like the fabric of it. I picked up this shirt from the men's section. This is, what size is this? A size medium from the men's section. Same color palette as what I'm wearing right now. So my idea for this top is because it is long sleeves, it's a long sleeve button up, I'm going to crop it and then I can tie it in the front or wear it off the shoulder or tuck it into some jeans. I just really love the color of this, and I think I paid, yeah, I paid $2.99 for this. The next item I got, I haven't even tried this on, I saw as I was leaving, but it's a yellow tag, so it was originally 99 cents, so I paid 49 cents for it. It's just a high neck men's top in a size large. This could honestly, it might be a little boy shirt, I don't know, but it's just a high neck basic black top. Very tucked in with some jeans. Could be a look. I posted about this over on my Instagram stories already today when I tried it on. Some of you may not like it. I love shirts like this. So it's just this floral button-up shirt. It looks like your grandma's curtains, basically. I absolutely love it, and I just envision it kind of like layered necklaces like I've got on now, kind of opened, tucked into some white pants, which I have to show you next. I don't know, I just absolutely loved it. I paid $2.99 for this, and then the white pants I picked up. I've been on the hunt for some white linen pants for so long, and these are probably the closest thing I'm going to get to them for right now. These actually fit me like culottes. They are from the brand Caribbean Joe, and they're a size small. They fit me high-waisted. Like I said, they fit like culottes. They just got this nice stretchy waistband at the top. I really like the detailing for the button. It's like the small details like that are what really get me. And it also has a drawstring, which I do appreciate. It has slits on the bottoms, and I paid $3.99 for these. Alright, so the last item in this haul that I have to show you guys are these cargo shorts, originally from Exhilaration in a size 5. I paid $2.99 for them, and they are pretty big on the waist, which I don't mind because I can style them with a belt, but they just look like this. They got the little, I don't know what this is for. Can someone tell me what this is for? But they do have pockets, and I love pockets. I just want to know what man made the rule saying that women cannot have pockets on their clothing? I just want to know. I just want to talk. Anyway, I picked these up. I've been on the hunt for some cargo shorts and some high-waisted shorts that don't have the bottom of my butt hanging out. So picked these up, loved them, got them, and that is everything I have to show you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and you want to see more videos from me. You can hit the post notification bell, and you can select all videos if you want to see all of my videos, or you can select some if you only want to get notified sometimes. Follow me on Instagram if you don't. That is where I'm the most active, like I keep saying. And stick around to the end of the month if you want to see how I transform some of these pieces. Until next time, bye.